Hello and happy Vishu to all my YouTube family. Today on the occasion of Vishu, I have arranged a big sadhya, but my husband is working today. So I decided to send this sadhya to him in the form of puri sadhya. That is, I'll be wrapping all the items of the sadhya in banana leaf. I'm not sharing any of the recipes with you because you'll find all of them on YouTube. Some of these are from YouTube itself. So the sadhya here is prepared by me and my sister-in-law Aishwarya. So let's begin the video.
So let's look at the item in today's sadhya. Rice, rasam, mango pickle, kalan, avil, injimpuli, kaipekya pachadi, elsheri, kaya upperi, param, cabbage thoran, sambar, mattanya oolan, kumblanya oolan, payar upperi, beetroot thoran, palada payasam and pappadam. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, we need to prepare our banana leaf before we wrap our food in the leaves. So we'll wash the leaves thoroughly because there could be dust residuals on the leaf. After it is washed nicely, we will thaw them on the flame. So I'm switching on the gas and we'll run the leaf over the flames because the leaf is stiff, and if we try to pack our food with this stiff leaf, they'll tend to tear and split. Run the leaf carefully over the flame until it is soft. Be careful not to burn them. After they are done, you can switch off the flame. At times the stem of the leaf could be quite thick, so you can cut the stem after you have thawed them, not before them, because the stem hold the leaf and prevent them from tearing and splitting. So now your leaf is looking ready. So let's begin the wrapping. So let's place our leaf on the paper and let's plate it, or should I say leaf it. Okay, eating in banana leaves has many advantages, like it is packed with natural antioxidant which is also found in green tea. It is eco-friendly as after use you can get it decomposed very easily. When hot food is served on this banana leaf, it releases a beautiful flavor and aroma, and it is not to be missed. So if you have never tasted food in banana leaf, I would request you, or I would highly recommend you to taste it at least once. In olden days, people used to carry their lunch to field in banana leaves, but they didn't used to carry so much vegetables. This is a sadhya, that's why we have around 18 items. Normally they used to carry rice and a gravy or one or two vegetables and pickle. So now that I have recreated it in a sadhya form, that's why we have around 18 items. So now that our dry vegetables are all packed with the rice, let's see how I wrap the leaf. Okay, so as we had thawed the leaf, you can see that it easily folded and it didn't tear. So I've taken 2 newspapers together. So if in case anything leaks out, it will not spoil the bag. So now it is nicely safe and secure, and you don't even need a thread to pack it. So here we are packing all the gravy separately, but some prefer to pack the gravy along with the rice. But as we had a lot of dry vegetables, that will make our vegetables soggy if we pack them together. So this is payasam. So we're going to pack that as well. So once again, happy Vishu and a happy new year to all. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing it. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.
मोर